Amazing! Wow! I am going to show you how to assemble a smart car. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button para lagi kayong updated. Hello guys, it's me again, Aaron Funa, and today I ordered 17 pieces of smart cars and it already arrived. So we are going to do unboxing. Here's the 17 pieces of smart cars and we are going to do unboxing. So let's unbox. Let's open the box. So let's count if it is really 17 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and the last one, 17. And today, we are going to identify the different parts and functions of a smart car. And of course, we are going to assemble one. I am going to show you how to assemble a smart car. Let's start. So first, we have of course the manual. So the manual has two sides. So first, here of course, on how to assemble the smart car and the line track. So we are going to use this after we assembled the smart car. But of course, the instruction here are all in Chinese. And of course, we have DC motors. This DC motors makes the wheel turn around. Yeah. And of course, we have the wheels. So these are the wheels. We have two wheels to be exact. And we have the PCB. This is what you call the printed circuit board. As you can see, it has circuits and it is printed. Okay. Yeah, that's obvious. And next, we have the battery holder. Of course, if you are going to use batteries, and of course, for the power source, we need batteries, right? Bolts, screws, and the nuts. Push button for power. LED light or light emitting diode for signal. Resistors to limit electricity flow, potentiometer to adjust resistance for sensitivity. These are light-dependent resistors. So, light-dependent resistors for LED. So, this is the IC for controlling motors. This is the brain of our smart car. Capacitors for storing energy. Wires. And last but not the least, transistors to amplify signals from the IC. We have to identify first the values of the resistors and then put them in their respective slots. Values of the respective slots are indicated in the PCB. You can use a multi-tester to check the values of the resistors, or you can check the color coding.
So, ilalagay natin sa respective parts. Ito, 1K tapos yung 3.3K. 10 ohms. 10 ohms. Unang-una mga small parts. 51 ohms. 51 ohms resistor. Yan, tapos na ang mga resistor. Ano na, isuldata na.
Be cautious when you solder. Do not inhale fumes because it is harmful to your health. Wear mask and do it in a well-ventilated area.
Transistors. transistors, IC. Potentiometer. One way lang yan, one way. Kaya mo positive, negative.
Remember that LED and capacitors have polarities. Therefore, you have to put the negative side to the negative and the positive side to the positive. Switch.
Yan, install. Okay.
These are light-dependent resistors. It varies resistance depending on the light received. It serves as the eyes of our smart car. Positive, negative.
Positive, positive, negative.
Please remember to do this in a static-free environment to avoid electrostatic discharge. Electrostatic discharge will destroy the circuit, particularly the IC.
Inahulog. Positive, negative. Gusto mo may kapayaran? Hindi ko pala natapayang sa kurang. Ano ito mo? Wire. Uy, wala si mama. Pero mama, nito mo.
Ganaan.
Positive, negative. Negative ang may ano, may guhit sa taas.
Negative yung may good sa taas. Okay.
Okay na, ang IC. May notch. Taas.
Okay.
May notch man dati. Sa IC. Parehas lang. Parang Lego lang.
Pasok na ano. Pasok mo muna.
Yan, bloopers. Clockwise direction. Lefty Lucy, righty, righty.
Ano?
Ikaw na. Huwag ka na makatip pa yun. Lefty Lucy.
Tapos na ang ating smart car. So, as you can see, buo na po siya, guys. So, let's try our smart car. Amazing! Wow!